Hey guys, welcome back to Learn AI, and if you're new, special welcome to you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and log in into Gemini AI. So this is formerly known as Bard. So if you have heard about Bard and if you used to use Bard, then this has been changed to Gemini AI, and I'm going to show you how to sign up and register for that. So you can do this two ways. You can simply go ahead and you can type in Bard AI in your Google browser. So you can type in Bard, and basically once you type in Bard, it will start to populate Gemini, and you will see from the result in Google here that it says Gemini chat to supercharge your ideas, right? And you can see from the URL here that it says gemini.google.com. So all you have to do is just go over to that Gemini website here, and you will see the option here to chat with Gemini. So before I go here, I'm going to just simply go ahead and give you a tour into the website. So while you'll be signing up for the free version here, you also have the advanced version as well. So if you click on advanced Gemini option in the top right there, you can see that you have the pro model available for free, right? You can do quite a lot with it, write, plan, learn, and so much more, and integrate with Google Apps. Right now, you can also get the advanced, which is the ultra model, which is super fast, and it has state-of-the-art performance, as they mentioned here. It also integrates with your Gmail, Google Docs, and so much more. So quite a lot of other Google applications there, right? So it is a very interesting tool, I must say, and I would definitely suggest that if you really need to do some complex tasks, then you can go ahead and try it. For me, I'm currently in Czech Republic, so it's showing me the price of 549 Czech crown, but for US, I think it's going to be around 24, 23 US there, somewhere there about, right? So in order to go back and sign up for free, just simply click back there and just click on chat with Gemini. Now, once you click on that, you just need to scroll down here and agree the terms here. And I'm going to just simply go ahead, and I don't really want to receive any updates here, so I'm going to just simply click on continue. And that will take you right into this nice and interesting interface. Very easy and very nice to use. So you have the section here where you can simply type your command. So I can say what. I'm going to just give it a simple command. Just say what is today's date. And you will see right then that it will give me the correct date. So nice and interesting stuff there, right? So from here, you can say good response. You can thumbs it down. You can also modify the response as well. If you click on that, you can share and export. You can also double check the Google response, and you have a drop down here, which if you click it, it gives you more. You can simply copy the result there. So quite an interesting interface. Now, back to the section where you type now, guys, you have the upload image. So you can also upload an image here, or you can also use your microphone and to speak to it and give it a command to whatever you want here. Now, on the uppermost left-hand side, you have the Gemini writing here, and there is also a drop-down. If you click on that, you basically have the option to upgrade. So if you want to upgrade later on, you can simply click here as well. You also have the option to upgrade here on the uppermost right-hand side. You have that button as well, so you can click on that to upgrade to your account. Now, the three lines on the uppermost left-hand side here, guys, if you click on that, it will expand the menus basically. So you can click on it and expand the menus. And from here, you will be able to see your recent chats and what you ask it. So you can click a new chat to, let's say, start a new chat if you want something fresh, and you can type whatever you want. Otherwise, you'll be able to find your recent chats or commands that you've asked it here. The three dots beside each command here on the left-hand side are the result here. You can click on that and you can pin it, you can rename it, and you also can delete it. So if you don't want this anymore, you can delete it. Or if you want to rename it to something else, because these are generic. So if you want to rename it to something else, you can simply click on rename and rename it as you wish. Right now, below you have help, you have activities, you also have your settings, right? So if you're interested in going through all of these to learn more, you can simply click on help. I'm going to click on that. And once you click on help, you have the privacy hub, you have updates, so you can learn about updates, you can get help, frequently asked questions, and learn about Gemini Advanced, right? So some really interesting and helpful information there. Settings, you can click on settings, and from here, as you can see, you can do quite a lot. So you can basically change it to light or dark mode if you so desire. You have public link there, and you also have extensions. So if you click on extensions, you can come here. Let me go ahead and click this off, and you can enable a few extensions as you wish. So as you can see here, you can enable flight mode or disable flight mode. It comes with quite a lot of these free tools. It has even YouTube as well, so you can enable or disable YouTube as well. So very interesting stuff, guys. So what I would suggest, guys, you can just simply come here and use the new Gemini. So go ahead and let me know in the comments below what do you think, and if you'll find this useful. Go ahead and you can use the Gemini for free to learn whatever you want, to ask it whatever you want. So guys, if you find value within this video, if you like this quick walkthrough, go ahead, give this video a like, let me know in the comments below. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're seeing the channel for the first time. I really appreciate that, as this will help the channel to grow. Thank you very much, and see you next time.